Everyone, welcome to the BISP solution. BISP is a tech company which provide technical solution across the world. So today we will talk about how to load data to the range of period using the multiple files. This is one of the crucial concept which we will understand. So for this, uh, we will we will understand this concept step by step. So here, uh, I will go to the notepad and I will tell the particular steps. So this was our data management process, and today we will understood the concept, another concept here. So data management, under the data management, our concept would be uh, loading data for the range of period. Loading data to the range of period using multiple files. This is our one of the topic which we will discuss. So we will increase the size of particular topic, and here we will write the particular steps for it. So today in this session we will cover how to prepare our file, configuring data management for multiple period, and running the load and checking the result. So to understand the particular concept, to understand this concept, we firstly have to create a particular file. That particular file should be like any kind of entity or sales. Firstly, we have to create a particular file. Create a file. Suppose any kind of file, for example, this could be the entity, any kind of year like an entity 2022 and month name .csv. That kind of particular file which we have created. Here the next thing would be we will 1 minute. I will increase the size. Okay. So the next thing would be, after creating the particular file, First thing, we have to ensure that the particular file should have the appropriate structure, like the in file certain column should be present, and that column should be like the entity account period amount, entity account period amount, entity account period amount. Entity account and period amount. File storage location. Upload all files to inbox and outbox explorer in PBCS. So the location of the particular file, it's a inbox and outbox explorer. But to keep them in local folder if using batch upload. Here now we what things we have to do after preparing the file. Firstly, we will particular source create particular source and target. We will create the particular source and a target. We will create a location first. Sorry, we will create import format. Particular import format. Create particular import format here. And then we will create the particular location. Create particular location here. After that we have we will do the mapping would be the third step. Here the mapping would be the particular dimension, mapping of particular dimension here. and here after that uh, we have to do we have to perform the next step. We have to define the data load rule, DLR, we could say. Data load rule, we will define it. Define the data load rule particularly, and here thereafter we have to after defining the data load rule, we will after defining the data load rule, we will do the next thing. And after defining particular period mapping and data load rule, we will do the particular like mapping or explicit mapping. Explicit mapping as required. Here the in at scenario, the at yeah uh, mapping is the initial step. Sorry, mapping is the initial step, and after that this is the mapping of particular dimension. Yes, we have already quoted mentioned. So after that the data load rule would happen, and thereafter we will execute the workbench. We will execute the workbench, and so here we under the data load rule particularly we will what things we have to do. We have to upload the particular file, and thereafter and at this stage we will do uh, we will execute the particular workbench. Execute the particular workbench. Execute the particular workbench here. This was the step which we have to particularly follow. We will upload the particular file in that stage which we have prepared earlier. And the main thing is in that file there is a range of period which contain the range of period. So this is the particular steps which we have to follow. if if you found if you found any any of the question regarding to it, then you can feel free to ask me. I hope you understood the particular steps. Due to some issue, actually we don't have the login password, the PBCS, and that's why we are unable to log in. That so I'm revealing the particular steps here. I hope you got all the things correctly. And if you found this session helpful, then please like, subscribe this channel, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your time. Now I will close this session here. Thank you so much for your valuable time here. Here I am closing this session.